Y'all. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back. And guess what we're doing today? Girl, we're trying on wigs. So we have a gaggle of wigs to try on. Let me go ahead and say thank you to Debut. I think it's called Debut Lace Front Wigs. They have amazing wigs. They have human hair wigs, synthetic wigs, and these are the wigs right here. So thank you to them for sponsoring this live. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to surprise myself. Let's start with the OM Honey. This is a honey bang wig. She got a little bang. This is the packaging that it comes in. First of all, I love OM Honey's packaging. A nice little vibed out box. It comes with lashes and a light skin wig cap. That wig cap is way too light for me, but if you're around this skin tone, this is perfect for y'all. Woo! This is the one I was super duper excited about. And this wig is a synthetic wig, but I have to tell you, I was so surprised. Synthetic wigs have stepped it up. Okay, oh my God, this wig is super pretty. The wig on the inside has 1, 2, 3 combs, adjustable straps at the back, and a little bit of lace in the center for parting space. So it has like that fake little parting space right here. So you're not walking around looking like you just got a closure sitting on the top of your head. Oh, sis. I gotta pull this wig back because not the eyeballs, child. No. Y'all like this bang? I feel like I look like Lisa Rinna when she wears her wigs. Uh, she is adorable. But let me show you what it looks like in the back. That's what it looks like in the back. And you can definitely... Okay, so you take the... Oh, she is cute. I love this. Tendrils. This is what we're doing. We're going to take tendrils at the side. And we're going to flip the hair up. And we're going to give ourselves like a nice little romantic date night. I threw on a wig because I couldn't figure out what else I was going to wear. Sort of look at this. This is what we're getting. Perfect for a date. Please feel free to get down in the comments and tell me what y'all think because I think this one is cute. Beyonce, grown up, date night. Oh, this reminds me of Me, Myself, and I. So let's get on to the next wig. Boop, that's it. Oh, ooh, this wig right here makes me look like a bank robber. Her name is Erin. Ooh, shake it out and go. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, this one is human hair. Okay, I was about to say, somebody lying. It's just a nice little bob. She has a bang. The cap construction is, we have no combs on the inside. Perfect for me because I do not like combs. I ain't got no hair in the first place, so I don't need y'all to snatch it out. It has adjustable straps in the back. No lace. This is a basic wig. So let's try her on. Let's see what she over here talking about. This wig is cute. So she's giving you disguise flip at the bottom. The only thing that I don't like about this wig, this one has no part at the top. Let me show you what it looks like in the back. Ooh, C-string. This wig is featuring no combs, some adjustable straps in the back, and no lace. So this is a basic wig for those of you that don't want to do nothing to your wigs. You want to throw it on, go to work, go to the grocery store, go to your kids' soccer games, and punch it. What y'all think? Y'all, which wig is this one? It's like Christmas time. This is the Lily wig. Okay. This is the middle part, okay? And so she is featuring this middle part synthetic wig, even though it feels very human. This middle part synthetic wig is featuring a lace part, 2 combs right here, a little bit of lace in the front so you can do a little styling, pull her back, all that type of stuff. 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back, and giving you very much girl next door, very much at the mansion. But y'all, They have this in black though. Can you imagine in like a black? Oh yes. I love how the lace is transparent, so it's giving me part realness. We're looking for part realness. I can tell by the smell of this wig that it is synthetic. Synthetic has like a specific sort of smell. Let's cut off this lace though, but the lace even looks good. This one's cute. Imagine it, imagine black, okay? It's very soft. Running my hands through it, very much. I'm going to the mansion, I'm going to a party. Now let's just pull these curls out. That's what we're gonna do. Let's see, this is all the shedding that I have. So we got a little bit of shedding, but that's what I expect that from long wigs, but the softness, I'm telling you, I don't know what the girls are doing on Amazon, but they really are getting the best syntheticas. Y'all look at the ends. I love it. Love it. Super soft, and the hair fluffs out a bit when you like comb through it. Definitely gonna have to vacuum my carpet. I'm definitely getting shedding. This is the type of lace I would have to add makeup to, because so if you're my skin tone or a little bit lighter or a little bit darker, you may have to tint your lace if you want to actually wear it. This is good. Yes or no? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Y'all let me know in the comments. Do y'all like it or do you not? I feel like I could walk out and y'all, I wish I was tall. I would look like somebody's Amazon. So cute. Okay, so the next wig, this is the Polaris wig. Let's go ahead and try her on. This is my, oh, perfect for autumn. This is an autumn color. Popping tags on here. That's what we do. I pop tags on wigs. So this wig is similar to, I think this is the first wig I put on. She has a bang. Okay. And she also has, so this one has 3 combs on the inside, and we have adjustable straps in the back. So this wig will be secure. Let's see here. What do we have? Oh my God, I'm actually surprised. Oh, this is not, no. Oh my God, I'm so happy. What is, oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It's gonna comb out these bangs. This beautiful color is perfect for fall. Very, very light. Again, this one's a synthetic wig. Does not feel synthetic. You can see as I'm running my fingers through it, very soft. You can feel the texture through the screen. And I love these subtle little highlights. Let me get y'all up close. You see, you got a little blonde moment here. You got some browns, red tones, just like leaves in the fall. Do y'all want to see the back? Of course you do. Let me show y'all what I would do with this wig. We're going to do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Pull down some tendrils. This is like a perfect, like, grown look. Pull it back. You could do a little ponytail. Did you see that? Look how grown and pretty that is. And we can just fluff. And I feel like it looks so grown. Very pretty, perfect for a date. Don't pay attention to the hair tie. I think every guy, girl, whoever wears wigs, anybody that wears wigs, definitely needs to have like a go-to, I'm running out the door sort of wig. This is one of them. Perfect for those bad hair days. It turns into a good hair day. Like that. Pull it around the shoulder. And like I said, it has a lace part at the top, so it still gives you realness as well. You know? So definitely check this wig out. You can wear it in all sorts of ways, and it looks so realistic. You don't have to worry about doing your hair. Period. We have human hair wigs next. Okay. So this is the 18-inch natural color deep wave wig. Look how pretty these curls are. You see these curls? So I simply wash the wig, use Pantene shampoo and conditioner. Super pretty. The curls are absolutely gorgeous. I love how they're not just boring curls. And this is a lace front wig. It comes with 3 combs. Lace at the front, a comb in the back. Now the lace is more, it's not super soft lace. This has a little bit more texture to it. And I did have to bleach the knots, but I will say that these knots bleached very easily. I used 40 volume developer and a powder bleach, a blue powder bleach. For the wig nerds out there, you definitely, I love that this wig is, the knots are single knotted. You don't have multiple hairs in a knot, which makes it hard for it to bleach. Not like that. Very easy to bleach. So we're going to go ahead and pop this wig on. Hi, girl. I'm going to miss you, girl. You cute or whatnot. One thing I love about these wigs, because they're small, they fit tight. I don't have to really glue it down. Look at that. Right? Look how pretty this is. Very, very pretty hair. Like I said, this is 18 inches of, I think this one's the deep wave. Let me show you how long 18 inches is. So that's 18 inches of the deep wave. I'm going to cut it. And I'm just going to cut off a teeny tiny bit. I'm not trying to really get rid of length. I'm trying to style it. So, yeah, I don't know how to cut hair either. So I don't know why I'm doing this on screen like I'm a professional. I am not. I just like that better, right? I'm going to just lay down some baby hairs to make it look more realistic, right? Do y'all like baby hairs? Because I do. So we're just going to chop this down. I'm using the Influence foam, and I'm using that to lay down the baby hairs, and we're going to use like a little baby hair brush. I don't know why. I got a baby hair face, y'all. That's my swoop-de-doop face, y'all. And now down here where the ear tabs are, I'm going to do a quick little trick. See if I can just tack this down. I'm going to use some Got To Be Glued spray. Have y'all used this before? If you're a wig wearer, I'm telling you. Oh my God. Okay, I'm just holding the sides. Just going to hold it down. Boom. Now, if you don't do this on your natural hair, girl, you burn your scalp off. But this is what the wig is looking like. So pretty. I love it. What do y'all think? This hair is super soft. And it looks so realistic. And it's not really thick, so it doesn't look like, oh girl, I know you have on a wig. This hair is giving you very much like natural sort of hair. I love it. Next. And lastly, this is the debut lace front wig. And this one is, I think she's 22. Yeah, she's 22 inches. Body wave. Hello. She has 3 combs on the inside, 1 comb at the back. And she has, it's a lace front wig with adjustable straps. Oh, sucky now. Anybody say sucky anymore? No, nobody say sucky. This just looks so grown. So, yes. So pretty. Look at these waves. Now, this hair is like super light. I'm just going to adhere the wig on the side right here. Just going to stick down these sides, okay? So, look at the lace, y'all. Look at this lace. I did not tint it at all. It matches my skin tone. The only thing I did was bleach the knots. Ooh, swoop, little swoop-de-doo. Look at that. Oh, girl, she's pretty, right? That baby hair don't look cute, y'all. There we go. And don't you love a moment where you can be like, oh, really? Right? Great job, debut, with this wig. Absolutely love it. Really pretty. Super realistic, and it lays really flat at the top. Love the curl. The ends are very, like they're not super thin. They're all the way across, similar density. And let me show you the back. This one's 22 inches. There we go. But y'all, this is a finished look. Very easy to toss on in case I was like in a rush because your girl's always late. Again, thank you so much for debut online wigs here on Amazon for sponsoring this live. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me get off this phone because I'm getting on y'all's nerves, I'm sure. Love y'all. Bye. Showing all of my gap. Hello?